Hey guys, it's Jenny from Southern Savers. We're gonna head in and check out all of this week's deals in Walgreens. A ton of them. I feel like almost every week are with digital coupons too. So let's go in and let's see everything that you can grab this week, really with no effort at all. I've got two different diaper deals this week, Pampers and Loves. So let's go through each one of them. Pampers is with rewards, Loves isn't, it's just with coupons. So that might be easy for some of you guys. Grab 3 packs of Pampers diapers. They're on sale 2 for $18. You're gonna get back $6 in rewards or 6,000 points. Here's the inside tip for Walgreens. They're on sale 2 for $18. And so sometimes that makes people think, you know what, we have to buy 4 of them. You don't. The third one will ring up as $9. So if you keep going, as long as you buy the 2, you kind of achieve the sale price, and then you get the sale price for all the others that you grab. Not that way in CVS, so it's kind of a little perk for Walgreens. I don't say that very often, so we'll let Walgreens take the praise when they get it. So let's grab 3 packs of Pampers diapers, or really what I want you to do is 2 packs of diapers, 1 pack of Easy Ups. We have an Easy Up coupon from the P&G insert, and then we have digital $3 off 2 Pampers coupons in the Walgreens app. So you're gonna use $5 in coupons. You're gonna buy $27 worth of diapers and Easy Ups, $5 in coupons, so now you owe $22 worth and get back $6 in rewards. So in the end, they're gonna be $5.33 a pack. It's not a crazy good price. I mean, I would really prefer below $5, but if you need diapers, it isn't a bad price. So that's your Pampers deal. Now your Loves deal, right next to Pampers in this store, kind of going down to the bottom shelf. Loves are 2 for $15. We've got a Walgreens store coupon in the month-long booklet. So use your store coupon. And then we've got actually printable coupons for Loves, which is pretty rare. So you can grab your Loves printable coupons. There's also a Walgreens digital here. After coupons, after the store coupon, $4 for a pack of Loves. So they're the cheapest over the Pampers. But that's 2 different deals that you can grab. Between the 2, you should be pretty stocked on diapers this week. Okay guys, the Crest deals, they are just gonna keep coming all month long. This is a month-long deal. I know that I've mentioned it in the past 2 videos, but we have a new $5 off any 2 Crest products coupon. So head in and start looking for your $2.99 and your $3.99 Crest toothpastes. Grab 2 of them that are participating. You're gonna get $4 back in rewards or 4,000 points. The $2.99 toothpaste, you grab 2 of them, that's basically $5.98. You use that 5 off 2 digital coupon, you're gonna owe 98 cents and get back $4 in rewards. Yeah, that's a $3 money maker. So look for the $2.99s, the $3.99s, still a money maker. Also look at toothbrushes, because there are $3.99 Oral-B toothbrushes that also qualify for that $5 off 2 Crest and Oral-B digital coupon. So enjoy it. That coupon is only good this week. The deal good all month long, but you can keep grabbing it every week. So take full advantage of that 5 off 2 coupon while we have it this week only. You can get a great price on Skintimate disposable razors this week. Really all Schick disposable razors for that matter, but in the female side, it's the Skintimate. They're on sale 2 for $12. And when you buy $20 worth, you're gonna get back a $5 reward. So you'll need to buy 4 of them. It's $24 worth of Skintimate or Schick razors. But we've got $6 off 2 coupons. Now we had this as a printable, the printable's gone, but we do have it as an insert and as a digital, a Walgreens digital. So grab 4, use 2 $6 off 2 coupons. So now your total due is $12. You're gonna get back $5 in rewards. So you're now gonna pay $7 for the 4 of them in the end. It's not a bad price. You're basically paying less than $2 a piece, $1.75 for each 4-pack of disposable razors. So if you wanted to use that coupon on disposable razors and kind of put it to work, this is a great deal to do it on. Okay guys, we do have a deal on detergent. You may or may not be able to find it in your Walgreens. I mean, for me, this is day 1 of the ad and they're already sold out, but hopefully you're gonna find it in your area. Persil detergent, the small containers and small bottles, on sale for $5.99. When you buy 1 of them, you're gonna get back $2 in rewards, or really 2,000 points. And we just got $2 off coupons in Sunday's paper. So use your $2 coupon, use your $2 reward, and you've got personal detergent for $1.99. Not a bad price. Now remember that manufacturer's coupon is a limit of 1. It's always a limit of 1 on personal coupons. So you're gonna grab 1 so that we follow the rules of the coupon. Even though the points, you could actually grab more, just not use another coupon if you wanted. You could grab more and still get more points on another bottle, but just stick with 1 at $1.99. We see cheap detergent all the time. There's no need to pay for it at $3.99 since you can't use the second coupon. So just grab 1 and enjoy it at that price. Okay guys, my favorite deal is back again this week. Buy 1 at $2.79 and get 2 for free on any Comfort Home or Nice storage bags, freezer bags, and sandwich bags. This is the best price that we see on plastic bags, so you should definitely stock up. And we see this deal usually twice a month in Walgreens, so this is one of the weeks for it. You do need to buy 3, so don't leave without the third one. That is the sale. So you're gonna buy 1 and you're gonna get 2 for free, and they are $2.79 a piece. Normally they're $2.99, so not bad. You're gonna buy 1 at $2.79, technically on sale, and get 2 more. So pretty fun deal. You can do this as many times as you want even. And many times when we see this deal, it's also available online. So if you are gonna shop Walgreens.com for your deals, you could add this into your cart as well. And remember, you can get free in-store pickup on any Walgreens order. So if you haven't hit the free shipping level, you could still do that and not have to at least shop the store. If you haven't used the sweet Ibotta offers for Kellogg's products, then head to Walgreens this week because they have a lot of Kellogg's children's cereal on sale for $1.99. We've got printable coupons for $1 off too. We've got insert coupons here. So use your manufacturer's coupons and then submit your receipt to Ibotta for another 75 cents back on all sorts of brands. Each Ibotta offer is for a different brand, and each one of them is a limit of 5. So that means you could get completely stocked on cereal here, guys. Fruit Loops, Rice Krispie Treats, Raisin Bran. There are a ton of Ibotta offers, and at $1.99, even if you use $1 off 2 coupon, you are gonna end up saving $1.25 off of each box. So you're paying 74 cents for a box of Fruit Loops or Frosted Flakes or Rice Krispie Treats, Rice Krispies. You can turn them into Rice Krispie Treats, but it's definitely a stock up moment. There are deals on Kellogg's cereals all over town because of those Ibotta offers. CVS is Special K, here is Kids Cereals, Publix is Special K. So use the item search on Southern Savers, search for Kellogg's cereal to find the sales that are near you and then where you want to go to get the best deals. It's kind of a quiet, small week in Walgreens. There are some other deals if you can find them in your store. The King C Gillette deal is back. We just saw that 2 weeks ago, so you can pop over to the June month-long deals video, which you should already watch anyway before you go to the store. And King C you can grab again this week, even if you already grabbed it. That's the joy with Walgreens, is there's really no limit here. So the King C deal, grab that if your store sells it. This store didn't, so I couldn't give you a reminder on it. Rimmel as well, 40% off all Rimmel cosmetics, and we have new $1 off coupons from Sunday's Paper. So it makes a lot of Rimmel products super cheap. This store also did not sell Rimmel. You're just gonna kind of be hit and miss depending on what area you're in, and you probably have already learned what your Walgreens does and does not sell. Now, I wanted to give you a heads up. The Kellogg's Ibotta offers, I just realized because I bought some Rice Krispies, just realized that some of them are set to expire on Monday. So I'm not sure whether or not I'll even get this video up by Monday, but if those Ibotta offers are gone, you know, even with the sale and $1 off 2 printables, they're still $1.50. It's still not a bad price. Yes, less than $1 is better, but hopefully we'll see those Ibotta offers come back again soon. If they are gone, I'm sorry. It's just the tricky part of being able to get videos out on time. But one heads up, one thing to look for, this particular box, Rice Krispies Spring Colors, was $1.25, so even better after the coupons and the Ibotta offer for me. But even if you didn't have the Ibotta, you're already saving 75 cents just getting the clearance deal on spring colored Rice Krispies. So look for those in your store, and that basically covers the Ibotta that you may or may not find in your area. With Ibottas, if you've never done them before, you're going to come take a picture of your receipt and upload it to the Ibotta app. One other tip, I always try to mention these, but buy something small, see if you get this, and then buy other things. So for me, I didn't really grab a lot today, but we may totally come back and buy more of the deals just to get that extra 6,000 points. All that matters is that you buy $30 and you're good. So I bought $30. They could be other things that give other deals, and you're just gonna add on those bonus points on top of all the deals. So this guy should always make you excited when you see it. And you should definitely grab something little to see if it prints for you and then do the rest of your shopping. Hopefully that'll help you save a little bit more the next time you're in Walgreens. So all of these deals, they are on southernsavers.com/Walgreens. You can make your shopping list and head into the store. Also make sure to subscribe so you can catch all the weekly deals as we post them, and pop over and watch the June month-long deals for Walgreens. And I wouldn't mind watching the CVS deals that are also running this week, because it's kind of a better week for CVS than it is for Walgreens.